Phantom Wallet is primarily a cryptocurrency wallet for managing digital assets on the Solana blockchain. It does not have a feature to follow people like social media platforms. However, you can monitor or track specific wallet addresses by saving or bookmarking them. Here's how you can follow a wallet. Open Phantom Wallet. Launch the Phantom Wallet extension or mobile app and log in. Locate the wallet address. If you want to track someone's wallet, obtain their public wallet address. Ensure you have their explicit consent, as blockchain transparency doesn't override ethical considerations. Bookmark the wallet. Phantom allows you to label or bookmark addresses you frequently interact with. Go to the Send or Receive tab, input the wallet address, and save it as a contact with a name for easy reference. Track transactions. Use a blockchain explorer like Solscan or Solana Explorer to monitor activity on the saved wallet. Copy the address, paste it into the explorer, and view transactions. Enable notifications. If Phantom adds notification features in the future, enable them to get alerts for wallet interactions.